So, this is the Citroën C4X. You might be thinking it looks awfully familiar, almost like a regular Citroën C4, and you wouldn't be wrong. In many ways it is a C4, but Citroën added an X and made a different car. The X supposedly means crossover, but the standard C4 already is a crossover. Raised ride height, black plastic cladding around the wheel arches, that rugged-ish look. So this is a crossover of body styles rather than an SUV. The main difference isn't obvious from the front. Head-on, it's identical to the C4 hatchback. The split headlights and chevrons are carried over, doors and side panels are the same up to the rear pillar. You could take a C4 door and bolt it on. The real story starts where the roofline slopes down. Part fastback, part sedan, all around unique. Side-by-side rear profile comparison, C4 versus C4X. It's an interesting proposition. Not quite a sedan. It has a high-riding stance. Definitely not a hatchback. Not an SUV, despite the plastic cladding. Citroën carved a niche within a niche. It blends the sleekness of a fastback with higher ground clearance. A bold move in a sea of SUVs and hatchbacks. As we continue our walk-around, the focus shifts to the rear half where all the action is. The roofline extends much further back than the C4 hatchback, creating a longer, more elegant silhouette. This extension adds 24 centimeters, about 9.5 inches, pushing it into a different size category. The added length sits entirely in the rear overhang, giving the car a more substantial road presence. It feels less like a compact city car, more like a proper family vehicle, bridging the gap to the smaller C4 and the larger C5X. The tail design is completely new, inspired by the C5X. The taillights are a perfect example. Arrow-like lights. Right side points outwards, left side points outwards. Together they form an X when viewed from behind, a clear tie-in to the car's name. I also really like the little detail where the Citroën chevron logo is integrated into the light signature, a small, thoughtful detail. Unlike the C4 hatchback with the plate on the tailgate, the C4X moves it to the lower bumper, creating a cleaner trunk lid. Another interesting point. Weight. You'd assume nearly 10 inches of extra metal and glass adds a lot of weight, but surprisingly, it doesn't. The C4X is only about 25 kilograms, around 55 pounds. Heavier than the hatchback. That's due to the lightweight trunk lid and hinge design.